These are our casement hinge. If you want to learn, get custom mold for resale, you can get on our Alibaba website. We have the different design and the material. You can learn from that. Also, we have the OEM service.
I use Silhouette Studio to create the design. They need the design as Ali, usually saved as a PDF.
This is our casement hinge. We can OEM make your logo here, stamping here, yes. Our casement hinge is made of stainless steel 430-201-304. Color is the original stainless color, and we can OEM the logo for you. Length, we can make 8 inch, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 inch. You can tell me the size and we can customize it. MOQ is for 1,000 pairs. One left and one right combined to be one pair.